Another thing that is so important when you need to exchange your ideas in the social networks, not only social networks, but for example in the landing page as well, or ads campaigns, or product, or service that you serve, is important. You use AI chats. In my examples, I will use Gemini 2.5 Pro model, used as the default AI agent to build the ideas, to deliver the values, to make some projects, and I use this language. But you have a lot of others, such nice models spread outside the internet, outside the TI field. For example, you have ChatGPT, you have Yama, you have a lot of others type with the big companies of TI, but small solutions as well. You have some AI assistant, not only chat to try to exchange ideas, but agents to do automatic things. So this bundle of solutions is important. I will use firstly only the chat and some types of automations agents as well, but in general for this start pillar I will use a chat like Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I will show to you what was my strategy using chat, what I observed, the best way to solve problems. For example, when you start to understand how much more data you deliver for AI, much more context they will use inside their model to deliver to you the solution. This is the first value people want to understand. That is the most important thing. So what you need to do to start? Start one conversation with, in my case here, you can see Gemini. I will start this new chat to use as example. I will share it with everybody, the link for anyone can look at exactly what I used if they want. It's a type of start thing. So what you need to do? Start to firstly talk what type of ideas, what type of professional you want to will be your assistant. You need to abstract a guy that is a professional important for your case, for your solution. For example, in our example, I will show to you what I will talking about with AI. After you give this first context to the AI, it's important you understand that you need to interact with AI. How much more ideas you put as input for AI, much more your neural network will be. Your ideas will type of mark of it. This is not a random thing. They use inside, but when you put real values, these models will make one type of path for your idea. Start to talk exactly what you want with much more details you put, much more context. This model will show to you. One example I use, one thing that's not so good, you will see that the AI has a lot of mistakes. Firstly, you need to give the context, analyze the ideas, put more inputs, but in time you will see that you have some errors will be showing to you. In this case, you need to correct the AI and talk with using your common ways of talking about to other people. When you understand that you can today using natural language to talk with the AIs, you start to understand how AI is powerful and how you can use it to build some values, build some project with such a nice percentage of correction. But you need to understand when you step the paths, you will have a lot of rocks in your front, and you will impact the process at all. But when you understand today, if you analyze it and understand that will be a lot of problems because this is normal, you understand that AI today is so powerful tool, and it's ready to build a lot of complex ideas. But you need to understand AI have problems with complex idea itself. But how much more data you input to it, much more context will be precisely to the AI models. This is basic idea. It's what make the real thing works in the best way possible. This is the best, in my opinion, found could watch in this time, and I saw that this is such a nice tool today. For example, today I do a lot of parallel things with complex ideas, complex projects. For example, I have Conn2Flow, I'm talking with you here, but I have another projects I'm working in parallel, and exactly because I'm talking about of AI, this is because it is possible to do today. Because when you understand AI is a tool that has some errors, this is normal and this is common behavior you're facing. But when you understand that it can speed up your productivity, your things you can do all day, you start to have some problems that I have today. For example, another day I went to late in night, and I need to go to the bed, but I wanted to continue, and I saw that the boundary today it's me, because I need to sleep. The machine don't, and you see that you need to measure your time, because you can go sick if you use a lot of your time to work with AI. It's a nice way, it's a nice thing. I'm so excited to now I can show to everybody. This is the last videos theoretical way, but I talk a little using the chat itself. But the next videos I will show to you a lot of things in practice. I'll stop talk the talk and start to walk the walk. You know, one journey is so excited that until today, I delivered a lot of solutions that I never imagined before that I could do it. So I'm so excited, and I think this my journey will impacting a life for a lot of people, and I think a lot of other people like me, it's doing the same, exchange their values. Seeing exactly I am seeing that AI today that have a lot of problems, but it is such a nice ready thing to work in collaboration, human with AI. We humans today can deliver much more values, idea, products and service and so on. So is it. Thank you so much. We'll see in the next videos. Bye bye.